Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning, just a few higher clouds in the area, and we do have a chance of seeing some precip move into the area as we get later into the evening. But right now things are warm and muggy this morning. We do have a heat advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 1700 local or 5 p.m. this afternoon for those heat index values greater than 100 degrees. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We had this weak, pretty washed out boundary that's showing up on the map here just north of Wallops. Otherwise, the main boundary we'll be concerned with as we get into the evening will be the one off to the west that has some showers out ahead of it. We do have this hatched area that is yellow over the Wallops area. That is the Storm Prediction Center issuing a slight risk for severe weather for this evening, as we will have some showers and storms likely moving into the area as we get into the late afternoon and evening hours. Looking at current conditions as of 8 this morning, we had those few clouds at 18,000, scattered clouds at 25,000. Otherwise, winds are light and variable with a temperature around 84 degrees and a relative humidity at 75%. Looking at the current visible satellite as well as the radar, composite radar, we see plenty of cloud material off to the west, as well as some showers up in the higher elevations. Expecting that to slowly move into our area as we get into the afternoon. We'll see clouds continue to increase as we go throughout the day today. Winds light and variable across much of the region at the moment, and then we'll see those become more subtly as we go throughout the morning and into the afternoon. Time out how things happen this afternoon and evening. As you can see, as we go throughout the day, we'll see some clouds increasing through the morning and into the afternoon. And then as we get towards the later part of the afternoon, could see some few showers pop up ahead of the main activity in the region. We're expecting those to stay north of Wallops. And then as we get into the later part of the afternoon, this is 16 local time or 4 p.m. Could see a shower or two pushing through the area, but the main action will be moving into the area as we get towards the 8 p.m. local time or 20 local. And then those showers should continue to push through. Could see some of those, again, with that slight risk for severe weather. Could see some of those storms become fairly strong with some strong wind gusts and possibly some heavy rain associated with a few of those as they push through. And then as we get through the overnight hours, we should see most of that activity push south or off the coast after the 2 a.m. time. And then as we go into our Saturday, we'll see things trend towards clearer conditions, and we can expect a nice partly cloudy to mostly cloudy day for our Saturday with some seasonable temperatures, break from some of the higher humidities, and expecting dry conditions as well. As we go into Saturday evening, we could see a period of some increased clouds. Otherwise, things will remain dry and seasonable. And then as we go into Sunday, again, much of the same for our Sunday, mostly dry, partly to mostly cloudy skies. And then we'll see a chance of rain as we get mostly into Sunday evening. And so Sunday should turn out to be a pretty decent day. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, starting off pretty warm this morning and humid, we do expect temperatures to get up to about 90 degrees as we go into the afternoon, and with that humidity, expecting those heat index values to get at or just above 100. So we do have that heat advisory again from 10 to 5 p.m., 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we do have the yellow for the greater than 100 heat index, and then orange as we get into the afternoon hours, expecting winds to pick up a little bit as out of the south-southeast, becoming more southerly as we get into the evening ahead of that front, with a few chances for some gusts up to 16 knots. And again, if we get some of those stronger storms, we'll see some stronger gusts as well with those. But expecting just a 30% chance as we get past the 4 p.m. or 16 local time. Slight chance of a shower in the region before that, but not expecting any direct impact to Wallops until we get past that 4 p.m. hour. And then as we get into past that 6 p.m. time frame, we'll start seeing a bulk of the activity move through the area, giving about a 60% chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the area, and then as we get past 10 o'clock or 22 local, that will drop down to about a slight chance or 20% chance up until 2 a.m. And expecting a low after that front passes of 75 for our Saturday morning, and winds will become west-northwest to north-northwest as we start the day on Saturday. Tides are running normal at the moment, and if we take a look at the weekend, looks like it's going to be a pretty nice and seasonable weekend. Again, Saturday, most of the part cloudy and warm, high of 87, and a drop-off in that humidity after that front passes through this evening. As we get into Saturday evening, partly cloudy and seasonable with a low of 70. And as we go into Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy and seasonable. A very slight chance of a late afternoon, early evening shower. Expecting a high around 85, it's right about average for this time of year. But the shower chances are likely to increase as we get past the midnight hour for our Sunday. Green across the board for weather risk for the weekends. It should turn out to be a nice weekend. Otherwise, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.